You know what to use if you want to get rid of your facial hair, isn't it? You know what to use if you want to get rid of hair underarms mein, but when it comes to your intimate care, well, you get confused. Worry not, because I found the perfect product to get rid of any unwanted hair in your intimate area. I'm talking about this. I've been using it for quite some time now. I got this Nykaa ke Pink Friday sale pe, and I promised you guys that I'll tell you how this is. Well, this is amazing. You should get this. This product changed my life for good. आप इसको सिर्फ इंटीमेट एरिया पे यूज़ नहीं कर सकते. इन इमरजेंसी यू कैन यूज़ इट ऑन योर अंडर आर्म्स एज वेल, या फिर अपने हाथ के भी हेयर को रिमूव करने के लिए आप इसको यूज़ कर सकते हो. नाउ द ब्यूटी ऑफ दिस प्रोडक्ट इज दैट यू हैव ब्लेड ऑन टू साइड्स ऑफ इट. यूजुअली जो रेजर्स होते हैं उसमें एक ही साइड में होता है. सिजर्स are not comfortable, let's be very honest about it, but this one is game changer, you guys. Now you see कि दोनों तरफ में blade है, so if you want to use it like this, आप ऐसे top to bottom भी जा सकते हो, but then it is so convenient to just get rid of your hair from bottom to top as well. Now you understood why I love this. Another good thing is that this comes with this covering. So अगर आपको डर लग रहा है फिर भी that you might cut yourself, या फिर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा close shave नहीं चाहिए, then you can use this. It's just like a trimmer, just with a protective head. So you can remove this and use it directly, or you can use it with this however you want to. This comes with a charging cable, so you don't have to carry batteries. You have to carry this wire and you can just charge it whenever you want to. Now honestly speaking, जब से आया है तब से मैंने तो इसको charge नहीं किया. I've used it for about 4 to 5 times and it's been what 3 or 4 months already. I'm so obsessed with this product. So if you were looking for a product that is comfortable, that is safe to use in your intimate area, go for this. Also one more thing, I don't know if they sell this head separately, but this actually comes off like this. I'll confirm this in the comment section, but it would be amazing अगर वो सिर्फ ये head separately sell करे, because a lot of times the blade actually goes blunt, so it would be so convenient just to change the head of the product and not buy the entire thing. Overall, my 4-month review is that this is awesome, and if you want the link, it's on the screen. Check it out.